Really good pancake stirs.
Stop it!
Stop what?
She won't get out of my way.
Elena, it's a small bowl and y'all are all sharing it. Cohen's fine. And no tattletelling.
What's this? I'm making a circle.
Y'all can all make little circles in there. See if y'all can all do it. Can you make a circle, Elena? Can you make a circle, Cohen?
Okay. What's this? What's this? Get out my way. You won't get out my way. I'm trying to make a circle.
Elena, we're tattletelling again. You can get on his side then.
I'm trying to get the circle.
You trying to make a circle?
No! I'm trying to make a circle. I'm trying to move.
Alright guys, I think we're about to have to pour the pancake mix in there.